Hey all, back again. This is a proud moment for me. Uh, First bit of swag sent to me from Tomahawk Power. They appreciated my review, my video input, and I'm gonna open this up right here, and I'm gonna see what they sent me. Sounds pretty good. Oh, first time getting anything from a company. Ooh, I see a keychain. And I don't know if you guys know this, but I have a whole wall of keychains right here. I don't know if I'll be able to. I don't know if I can swing that over here. Yeah. I literally have a wall of keychains. That is, that is something that I have a lot of. So let's see what we got. Yeah. Big red Tomahawk keychain, bottle opener, soda opener. You know, these things actually come in handy for a lot of things other than bottle opening and can opening. Boxes. I mean, you get that little lip under there. Amazing for opening boxes. Amazing for opening up. They're actually amazing for opening up the welding tubes. The what your sticks come in. They always have it taped up like crazy, and you get that lip under there, and you can just run it along. Something easy. Don't always have to have a knife on you. Oh, what else is in here? Big old box of stuff. What do we got? Paper. Oh, where do you put the quarter? There it is. Okay. Ooh, good. Travel mug. All right. There we go. Haha. Oh man, I just broke the lid on mine too. Tomahawk mug. I I just broke this portion on my other one that I got from my actual employer. They sent me one for what was it, the New Year's or Christmas or something like that. They sent me one, and I had knocked it off of my bumper, and I broke this portion off, and right now it's only held on with glue. So a new mug. Oh man, that is a tight squeeze. That is a tight seal. That's not going to spill. And I love the magnetic ones. You get that magnet on there. I love that because you take that off, you can wash it, you can do it completely separate, and you don't get that gunk built up underneath. You know what I'm talking about. You've cleaned these mugs all the time, and there's always some kind of gunk under there. I love the magnetic ones. You just peel it off. It's literally a flat surface. You cannot get gunk underneath it. You wash this separate. It's perfect. Thank you. Literally something that I collect and something that I just broke. So Tomahawk did it. That is a good grip. I don't know. That is some grippy stuff. I like that. I like it. And it is just my style. So this can actually go into my camping setup too, because I've got my Stanley, my big huge like thermos with the top, and I think that one's like 32 ounce, or no, that one's the 64 ounce. I've got the big one for like long days. I've got one of those, and I mean, one of these days I'll get out to my property, It's just working on so much stuff. But my first ever swag, and comes from a company that I actually support 100%. I mean, they do have a lot of great equipment. I mean, right here in America, I mean, yeah, we have a lot of companies where it's made and assembled here, but it's using foreign parts, and it's like, yeah, you can do that kind of stuff, and it's fantastic. You just have to watch out, because you get bulk batches of things, and sometimes things are a little iffy. That's when you pay the extra, pay the extra, employee. Just get one more employee, do some, checks on things as they're coming in. You get a box of 100 things, pay somebody to check like 30 out of every 100, just in case there is that one oddball out. And gotta love it. I mean, I love supporting businesses here. Yeah, there's just a lot of other ones out there that struggle, but I bought my machine off of Amazon because they have an Amazon store. Amazon has all kinds of features that you can't get with a normal business. You can't go to a lot of places and go, "Hey, can I pay for this over time?" A lot of places don't do that anymore. Amazon allows it because they have those affiliates, and I mean, sometimes people need that. That's why I'm currently seeking somebody in one of these companies to do a small sponsor. I mean, think of it this way: for a sponsor, you can hire a team of engineers and designers and just pay a bunch of people $500,000, $1 million, $10 million to tweak things and work things and make something. Or you can fork out just one of your items at cost. I mean, yeah, you sell it for $10,000, but that is you making a profit. Your cost is far below that. You fork over something at cost to somebody in, like me or my neighbor or my parents. You fork out something at cost, and you let that person finagle it and work it and redesign it and build it the way they want, and then you don't have to put out any money except for the cost of that one item. I mean, what was it? I can't remember what the vehicle was, but it was a manufactured car. They put out like 10 of them to one company. That one company used up something along the lines of like $35 million in research and development. And at the end of it, they only had half of one car left, and it wasn't enough, so they just scrapped the whole thing. And it's like, you spent millions of dollars over the span of 5 or 6 years to find out that those people, one, didn't know what they were doing, and two, they were looking at ways to change something in a way that people didn't want. It's like, oh yeah, what was that? The Homer? Oh yeah, cup holder here, because you can't find a cup holder when you're mad. Yeah, the car was a complete disaster because they're going off of just what this one person wanted that didn't know anything. You give something to somebody who knows what they want and what other people are looking for. Let them build and design it. And then you, at the company, you go, okay, we'll take these few items and these few items and we'll connect them. And then you put out one of those and see what people say. And what are you out? You're out the cost of that one item. You're not out the time and the money because the person you gave it to did it on their own. I mean, a lot of these companies, they could learn a whole lot by giving items to people and just say, hey, make this what you want it to be, and we'll see what happens after. I mean, company could come back and say, well, that's not quite what we want, but you did improve here, and here. That alone, those improvements alone, are good enough for fixing issues. You've got Ford with issues with their tailgates. People changed their tailgates. They took the time, they took the energy, they changed it. Ford saw what they were doing online and said, we can do that. We can do that. And then you've got people in computer worlds. Average PC user wants this, and this. But the people that are willing to put out $20,000, $30,000 want this, and this. Okay, we'll make it so the computer is set up this way, but you can put this on there on your own. That's how everything should be. You make an item, you put out an item, and you let the people make it how they want it, and then you use that feedback to better your business. You make more sales if you make what people want. If you only make what you like, I mean, Joe Dirt, the guy sells snakes and sparklers. Sell what the people want, and you get rich. But it shows the people that you are paying attention. But this is it for today. Thank you to Tomahawk Power. The swag will be used quite generously. And to think that I've got like 3 different ones of these in my Amazon wish list. I was debating on which one to get, and I guess I'm not going to get any of them because now I have a new one. So, thank you guys. Thanks a lot. It really means a lot to me. You guys have a good day.